Section formula. In coordinate geometry, one of the important topic. If A x1 comma y1 and B x2 comma y2 are any 2 points in the coordinate system, and m1 is to m2 is the ratio in which the line joining A and B is divided by a point P x comma y, then it is given x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2, and this is known as the section formula. And based on this section formula, we will be doing some very important sums for the examination point of view. Find the point which divides the line segment joining the points 3, 5 and 8, 10 internally in the ratio 2:3. Let P x, y be the point. Let us list out what are all the given things here. x1 is equal to 3, y1 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 8, y2 is equal to 10, m1 is equal to 2, m2 is equal to 3. Therefore, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is equal to, it is a 2 into 8 plus 3 into 3 divided by 2 plus 3. It is a 16 plus 9 by 5, that is a 25 by 5, that is equal to 5. The y coordinate, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So that is equal to 2 into 10 plus 3 into 5 divided by 2 plus 3, that is equal to 20 plus 15 divided by 5. So it is a 35 divided by 5, that is equal to 7. Therefore, the answer P x, y is equal to 5, 7. Find the midpoint of the line segment joining the points 2, 7 and 12, minus 7. x1 is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 12, y2 is equal to minus 7. Midpoint formula is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 12 by 2, comma 7 plus minus 7 by 2. So 14 by 2, comma 0 by 2, that is 7, comma 0. Therefore, the midpoint is equal to 7, comma 0. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining the points A 2, minus 2 and B minus 7, 4. It is one of the important type of sum for the examination point of view. Here, the key word that we have to note it down is points of trisection. And hence, let us draw a line segment to represent the given diagram, given sum in terms of a diagram. So the points A and B, 2, minus 2 and B minus 7, 4. As it is given the points of trisection, let us assume the 2 points of P and Q in between A and B such that it is AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. In other words, the P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 and Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. And we have to find the coordinates of P and Q. P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So, our x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to minus 2. x2 is equal to minus 7. y2 is equal to 4 and m1 is equal to 1 and m2 is equal to 2. Let us write the formula. The coordinates of p x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let us substitute the values. So that is equal to the m1 is 1, x2 is minus 7, m2 is 2 and x1 is 2 divided by it is 1 plus 2. Same manner, it is m1 is 1 and y2 is 4 plus m2 is 2 and y1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2. Let us simplify and write the answer. It is minus 7 plus 4 by 3, 4 plus minus 4 divided by 3. So that is equal to minus 3 by 3, 0 by 3. So that is equal to minus 1, 0. So we found the coordinates of P as a minus 1, 0. Let us find the coordinates of Q. Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So our x1 is 2, y1 is minus 2, x2 is minus 7 and y2 is 4. m1 is 2 and our m2 is 1. So qx comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Let us substitute the values here. The m1 is 2, x2 is minus 7, m2 is 1 and it is a 2. It is a 2 plus 1, comma m1 is 2 and y2 is 4, m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 2 divided by it is a 2 plus 1. Simplify, let us simplify and write the answer. Minus 14 plus 2 divided by 3, comma 2 fours are 8 minus 2 divided by it is 3. On simplifying again, we get it is minus 12 by 3, comma 6 by 3. Cancelling, we get it is minus 4, comma 2. So we found the coordinates of Q also, and hence let us make a small statement. The coordinates of P x comma y is minus 1 comma 0, and the coordinates of Q x comma y is minus 4 comma 2, and hence minus 1 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 2 are the points of trisection.